Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time to be here, you're most welcome. My name is Jenna Tungo, and yes, today I'm back with another easy hairstyle. So guys, this is my braiding pattern, and I know it looks all crooked, but it will be covered up by the expression braid, okay? And this is the braids that I'll be used for this particular style. So what I'm doing right now is just placing my crochet needle onto my natural hair, exactly as you can see. Then I'll go ahead and take my expression braid, put it onto this crochet hook, then close the hook and pull the expression hair out. And then I'll just go ahead and make 2 knots just to ensure that my braiding hair is like secured. And yeah guys, so basically that is what I'm doing to achieve this crochet look. So I'm literally doing the same technique, and if by any chance you have a question, please comment down below and I will gladly answer all your questions. And again, don't forget to subscribe. By any chance you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, and yeah guys. And guys, just to let you know, this style was very easy to achieve, as you all can see. And again, it's super affordable because I'm just using expression braids. So I'll make side parts, and I will put this other section into a ponytail and work with this other side. So I'm now applying gel wax onto the roots of my hair, just to ensure that my parts are like neat and straight, and just to mold my hair into place before I start the whole process of braiding it. And for this style, I'm just doing the feed-in method. And yes guys, And let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will surely answer all your questions, okay? So once I'm done with the whole process of braiding my hair, I'll just pick a small section and just make a knot to secure it. So guys, if you don't have a beader, you can use your crochet needle exactly as you can see in the video and just install your beads. And guys, you'll bear with me because I lost some of my videos on how I did my edges and all that. But yes guys, basically this was just it for this video and I will see you again in my next and take care.